Hello friends, this is Raj Sastry from Raj Option Trading. Today is January 22, 2022. Let's talk about top technology stocks. As you all know, market is going through some turmoil right now. Very high volatility, stocks are dropping. So as investors, our job is to go after rock solid companies with nice financials, nice growth and also nice profitability. So with that we got top stocks here in technology. Apple, it's a great stock, as many of you know. You got Microsoft, rock solid company. They want to expand into gaming. They're buying Activision Blizzard. And then you got great semiconductor play here. Texas Instruments. This company has been there forever, doing great. And then you got Cadence Design, again a chip company and a design company. It's a rock solid stock here. And Keysight Technologies, it's a growth company doing very well. It's again in the chip testing area and it's a solid company. And then got Nvidia, it's an artificial intelligence company, also top semiconductor play here. And we got here Zebra, it's a connected device and connected company here, doing rock solid. It's doing great in terms of performance. And we got Adobe Creative Cloud, Shantanu Narayan is doing great. And we got Oracle under the leadership of Larry Ellison is doing great, buying a lot of companies and heading into healthcare IT space with the latest purchase. So with that, let's look at these companies and buy some of these companies in this economic downturn here. Most of the stocks are coming down. We got to go after these rock solid companies and buy them at the bargain basement price here. So with that, let's jump in here and look at the market. As you look through the market here, look, we got Dow Jones Industrial Average in a 3-month time frame. As you can see here, it's all 3-month chart here, dropping down big time, as you can see here. And then you got S&P 500, huge big drop, as you see here, and Nasdaq, big dip here. And we got Russell 2000, small cap names, huge big drop in a 3-month time frame. But if you look at longer term view here, look, we got a yearly view of five-year weekly here. On a 5-year chart, it's a small blip, as you can see here. It's a small blip, no big deal. That's why we got to buy slowly and then go after quality names. Same story here. Russell, Nasdaq of S&P 500, small blip here in a 5-year weekly chart. I think this is when we got to buy. We got a lot of blips, as you can see, a small dip here, and many small dips, as you can see here. This is the blip when we had inflation back in 2018, but it's a small dip. So those are all buying opportunities if you have a long-term time frame. These are for long-term investors. You could slowly buy and go from there. Nasdaq, same story, nice run here. It's only normal to drop a little bit here, no need to worry. Buy slowly, we have seen this movie before. And same story, Russell 2000, nice upswing here. Now it's trying to come down slowly. Our job is to buy great quality names and go from there. So with that, as you can see here, we got here fear gauge. Fear gauge is pointing to fear right now, and it can go down to maybe say 30 or so. That's when there will be more bargains. At this time, we don't know whether it will go higher or lower. So that's why you got to buy slowly, buy quality names. And as you look through here, we got here the fear greed over time. Look, as you scan through here, we got fear or a greed went all the way up here back in before COVID-19. Then stock market came down, as you can see here. Greed went up again, stock market tumbled down nicely. Greed went up, stock market tumbled. This is a good indicator. It can come down to say 30 or 25 and then it will go higher again. This is our opportunity to buy great quality stocks. Wall Street gives the opportunity once in a while. I think we should take those opportunities and buy the stocks and go from there. So with that, let's go into some more details. Let's look at top exchange traded funds. I love looking at the exchange traded funds because it will tell me what market is doing and then we can pick up some great quality stocks. As you can see here, we got overall market here. S&P 500 is just a stone throw away from 52-week high. So we got to be careful, buy some quality names. On the other hand, we got both QQQ and IWM, which is technology and small caps. They are in the correction territory, as you can see here, down more than 10% from 52-week high. Dow Jones Industrial Average is not yet in the correction territory, but we may soon go into one. And now we will look at a few more here. It's an eye chart. We'll quickly scan through a few of them. Look, we got here XLK Technology, as many of you know here. Technology down big time. It's in the correction territory. All these ETFs, as you can see here, they're all in the correction territory. And look, we got semiconductors again down big time in the correction territory. And we got a few more, as you can see here. Fintech, cathodes ETF down big time here. Look, it's down 51% from 52-week high here. And I think it's everywhere same story. Look, we got cyber security here. Cyber security is also down big time, down 17%. It's also in the correction territory. And look at crypto here. Crypto is down big time here, 50% down here. So that's why you got to buy some quality companies and go from there. So with that, let's look at top technology stocks. I love buying great technology stocks when they're down. This is one of the greatest opportunity. We can slowly buy and hold it for a long term. So as you can see here, we got top technology stocks. Look at all these names here. Look at the financials. All these have got Morningstar A grade in the financials. That's the top grade any company can get. So all these companies get an A grade from Morningstar when it comes to financials. And look at the returns. These companies are performing very well for investors. Look at the returns. Some of these companies have generated so much money for investors. Look, nice 10-year return in Microsoft, Taiwan Semi, and so on and so forth. I think these are all great companies. So with that, let's look at few companies in a little more detail and go from there. Look, top of the list, Microsoft. Microsoft is under able leadership of Satya Nadella. Look, nice financial here with A grade and B grade in growth and A grade in profitability. Overall score is 88, which is great. So I love Microsoft at these levels here. Look, we got RSI 32. That tells you stock is completely sold off here. And price to sales ratio is 13, little expensive, but for Microsoft it's okay, no big deal at all. So I would be buying Microsoft at these levels. It's a great one. And as you can scan through here, we've got a few more names here. Taiwan Semi is also good. You could buy this one also. Look, it's little high right now. You could wait for a little pullback given RSI is 51. And Accenture is a great one to buy here. They are helping companies to go into cloud and migrate into cloud here. It's a great one here. Stock is completely sold off. Look, RSI is 28. That tells you stock is sold off here. And low valuation. Price to sales ratio is low. Companies making money, net margin positive company, not a money loser. Look at the performance, great performance over the time and nice grading from Morningstar here. And overall grade is 87. I would be buying this stock here into this weakness. And we've got Texas Instruments. This company has been there forever. It's a great company. Company is making money. Look, nice A grade from Morningstar for financials and A grade in profitability. I think it's a great one to buy at these levels. Something somewhat similar to Microsoft from a grade perspective. And we've got a few more here. We've got a German software company, SAP here. Look, nice grade here. Nice A grade from a financials and C grade from growth and profitability. One thing you might notice, the moment it's a great financials, you will get a B grade in the growth or a C grade in growth, because it's hard for these financially strong companies to grow also, especially because these are very high market cap companies. And then you got a few more, as you can see here. Little company from India, Infosys. Look, $23 stock here. Has done great, as you can see here. Look, it's done about 125% in 2-year and 365% in 10-year. It's a great company, low price stock. And I've got a few more here, as you see here. We got Synopsis, which is one of my favorite. Stock is doing great, as you can see here. Nice A and B grade overall. It's one of the nice performer as you can see here. Nice 94 overall grade, higher the better. And we got few more as you can see here. And look, we got Cadence, which is a great stock as you might be knowing here. Nice performance. Look at the 10-year performance, 1278. So it's a good one to buy here. And little stock here from India, Wipro here are doing great. Just $7 stock here. Look at the grade here. Nice A grade from financials and C grade in growth and profitability. It's a good one to buy here also. And we got few more as you can see here. My favorites are stocks like Zebra, Ansys, both are great ones. You could buy them at this level here. And we got few more as you can see here. All work here. You should take a look at these names, buy them slowly. Also keep watch on the overall grade here. Higher the better. Look at some great names with a nice grade here. We got Garmin, again a great play here. You could buy Garmin also slowly and go from there. So with that, let's look at a few more stocks here and see what they're doing. So we got a few more names as you can see here. We got Monolith on the top here, MPWR. Again, a great company, nice gross margin, nice net margin. Stock has been doing great. Look at the performance in 10 years, 2,588. That's a great performance and nice financials from grade from Morningstar here. Overall score is 60, which is a little bit lower as you can see here, which happens because profitability is C. That's why, but it's a great company. And then you got a few more as you can see here. Checkpoint is slowly coming back. This company has been written off as you might be knowing. Now it's slowly coming back. Right now it's a little hot here with RSI 66. I would wait for a little pullback here. On the other hand, we got a few more great stock here. Keep watching all great ones. Look, we got SPSC here. This one has been doing great as you can see here. Nice performance, gets a great grade here. A grade and B grade for growth as well as profitability. You could look at this one too here. And we got a few more here. Vicor, look, see, this has got a good grade as you can see here. Grade A in financials and grade B in profitability. You could go after this one also. And we got a few more. Let's go through next one here. Now we are looking at grade B from a Morningstar financials perspective. Look here, all financial, nice grade B here from Morningstar, all rock solid place here. And look, we got Apple here. Apple gets a grade B in financials, mainly because they have some debt in their balance sheet. That's why they get a grade B. But look at the profitability, top grade here. They're making money. They're also growing nicely here. It's a good company overall. Even though it gets a low grade here, overall score, it's a good company to buy. And then we got Nvidia, again a cutthroat company, very nicely doing here. They have a nice artificial intelligence chip. Look, nice 78 grade here. And they're making money. Look at the net margin. Company is making money. Stock is sold off here. You could buy some Nvidia and go from there. We got a few more as you can see here. And my favorites are stocks like Adobe. Oracle is a good one. You could buy some Oracle. A company stock came down off late because they're buying a healthcare IT stock. That's why it came down, but it's a great company to buy here. And you got CRM here, Mark Benioff's company. You could buy this one also, nice grade here from Morningstar. Financials B and growth is B. It's a good one to buy here. And we got Intel. Intel is back. The new CEO, Pat Gelsinger, he knows how to grow the company. At this time, you could slowly buy Intel and go from there. They're building a big chip factory in Ohio. I think they can do well as they go forward. And we got Qualcomm. Qualcomm is a great stock here. You could buy Qualcomm slowly. Stock is sold off. Look at the profitability here. Nice A grade here. And overall, nice grade 84. And then we got a few more as you can see here. I say, take a look at these names here and buy them slowly. Look, we got here Fortinet, cybersecurity company, as many of you know here. Nice grades from Morningstar. Look, B overall. It's a good one to buy here and go from there. So with that, let's jump in and look at a few more names. It's a continuation as you can see here. We got few names. Xilinx will be probably bought over by AMD, as many of you know here. You could look at Xilinx. I would say instead of Xilinx, you should probably buy AMD. And I got few more names, as you can see here. All rock solid financials. B from Morningstar here, and few ones I got nice A grade here. Look, we got CDW. CDW is again an IT company doing nicely. Gets a nice grade B in financials and grade A in profit. It's a good one to buy. Overall 96 grade here. And then you got one more here, Seagate. Seagate, as you can see here, $95 stock, gets a good grade here. B grade in financials and A grade in profitability. And we got a few more here. Netapp. Netapp is a good company here. They're into storage, as many of you know here. Nice solid grade here. You could go after this one also. And we got a few more here. We got BR, as you can see here. This one also gets good grade here. You could go after that one too. And look at overall score, higher the better, and go after some good ones and go from there. So with that, let's look at a few more companies here. It's again a continuation. Keep watching. We got nice financial grade, as you can see here, and we got the overall score, which is again, go for the highest overall score. Those will do very well. And if you see RSI little higher, like Lydios here, wait for a little bit pullback here, and then you can buy those quality names here. All good ones here. You could buy these names and go from there. Look, we got CNXC, as you can see here. It's got a nice B grade in financials and A grade in growth. It's a growth company. Company is a little more new, as you can see here. There is no 2-year and 5-year, as you can see here. And we got Synaptics, again a great company. Many of you know this company. Look at the performance, great solid performance here. You could buy this company also and go from there. And then you got Novt here. Look at the performance of this one. Nice performance. You could buy this one also. Look, 1,197%. Right now stock is sold off here. You could buy some and go from there. And I love Qualys. It's again a IT company, as many of you know here. Nice company. You could buy this security company here. Look, nice performance and nice grading from Morningstar here. So with that, let's look at a few more names. So these are again continuation. Grade B, as you can see here from Morningstar. Nice grades. So all of grade B from Morningstar, you could look at these ones and go after nice high overall score. They will serve you well. As you see here, we got FN here, FN, nice grade here. Look, overall score is 95. Financials is B here. Company is making money. Look, net margin is positive. And it's got 37 RSI, tells you stock is sold off here. Low valuation. You could look at these names here and buy them. Look, we got one more here. NVMI Nova. Look at the performance. Stock has done great here. 1,268%. Right now, stock is sold off with the lower RSI. You could go after this one and go from there. And all great companies. We'll look at next sheet here and look at a few more companies. As you see here, it's a continuation here. Look at the performance of some of these companies. Look, CAMT here, Camtech, nice performance and nice grade. You could look at this company here, nice net margin 23%, and buy some into this weakness. Low RSI 38 tells the stock is sold off here. And we got a few more, as you can see, are all great ones. You could slowly buy them. I also like MEI here. It's a small stock, as you can see here, but has done great. 405% performance in 10 years. So with that, let's look at a few more and go from there. Next, we are looking at stocks with the grade C here. Look, financial C. Typically, what happens is, many of these nice growth companies, they fall into financial C. Look at some of the grade here from a growth perspective. B grade, a lot of B grade companies. meaning they are growing nicely, but financials is C, which is okay. As long as the company is growing nicely, I would go with the B grade in growth and a B grade in financial profitability. That's okay by me. As you look through here, we got some great companies here. Look at stock like HPQ. Who said printer is all gone? This company is back with the nice sale, as you can see here. Nice grading from Morningstar, and also 10-year performance is good. And stock is sold off right now. You could buy some at these levels and go from there. And then we got Trade Desk, one of my favorite stock here. Look, valuation is a little high, as you can see here. 26 is the PS ratio, price to sales ratio, but nice grading here, nice B grade in the growth and B grade in profitability. One of the things that you might notice here, the moment you see a nice grade in the growth here, like a B grade here, typically you will end up having a little higher price to sales ratio because these are growth companies. But because it's profitable here, net margin positive, I'm not too much worried. You could buy these names here because it's profitable. And then you got your little company here, UMC. Look, it's a very small company, $10 stock here. Look at the performance. It's done great. You could buy this company here. Look, it's got 99 overall score, higher the better. One of the highest, as you can see here. Stock is sold off, as you can see here. RSI is 44. You could buy this United UMC company here and go from there. And we got a few more, as you can see here. You could take a look at a few names here. Citrix, it's been a little bit spotty in the performance perspective. Off late is doing well, as you can see here. But I would probably skip this one here. Look, it's not done great in 10 years, just 91%. On the other hand, we got Synopsis here, just $10 stock. It's done great. You could look at such companies here with nice overall score, as you can see here. And Teradata looks like it's back off late, but you got to be careful. Teradata has got a lot of competitors. I'll be little careful on Teradata. Instead, I will go with the names like Oracle as an example. With that, let's look at a few more here. Continuation. As you can see here, all financial grade C here from Morningstar, and few of them have got nice growth grade here and profitability. Look at, we got T-Tech and KLIC, nice grade here. You could take a look at such companies here and buy them slowly into the weakness here. And we got few more, as you see here. Again, we got EXA, XPR, AMCR and so forth. Look, nice performance. Look, nice B grade in the growth, and some of these have got nice B grade in profitability. And last but not least, we got a few companies here with low price stock like Gilt and AVNW. Look, nice profitability grade here. You could buy those also into the weakness. Look, Gilt has got RSI 52. Stock has been doing good off late. You could buy this one also here as it comes down little more. So with that, as you can as the market is tumbling, we should always look at some great stocks to buy and go after the quality. So with that, thank you very much. Happy investing and trading. Please subscribe.